my name is Danielle and welcome to Danielle's Crafts. So I hope everyone's doing well with everything that's going on at the moment. I just want to say well done to everyone's sticking to the rules and everyone's keeping themselves nice and busy. So talking about busy, I've seen going my daily walks that a lot of people have been, and a lot of kids been making some rainbows. So they have, and it's just so refreshing and so nice to see something nice and bright on your walks. So that's what gave me the idea of doing this today. So here today we're going to be making a little rainbow mobile. I've done something similar to this with one of my girls group, and we made a rainbow and we got little clouds like this. And we wrote our favourite words or sayings, anything that we like. So as you can see here, we have love, which is what we need to do more now. Goals, always set yourself goals even though we're stuck in the house. Always good to have something to work towards. Strong, everyone's been so strong at the moment, and it's a good word to have, is being strong. Believe, always believe in your dreams, even if we're not always on track at the moment because of some limitations. We've still got our goals, beliefs and dreams. My favourite word, never ever stop. So first off, for designing our little rainbow, I have printed off a little rainbow and I wanted some clouds in it because that's just me. So you can either draw, or if you're lucky enough to have a printer at home, you can print one off. I took the easy route. So I'm going to start colouring in my rainbow, and then I'm going to cut it out and then let the creativity. Ta-da! I feel like art attack. So here we go. I've coloured in my rainbow. Now you don't have to stick to the same layout of the colours. You can make it expressive. You can do whatever you want, any colours, etc. What I have done here, if you're interested, or if you have any about the house, don't go out buying stuff. What I did was I got some Halloween spider web, or if you've got any cotton wool at home, you just stick it on, through it Pritt Stick, and there you go, you've got your little fluffy clouds. Or you can colour them in, make them nice and colourful. Anyone get any gel pens, make them nice and sparkly. Okay, so now I've started making a little clouds. I've changed some of the words this time, some other words that inspire me. So I've got positive, which is always good to be positive, no matter what is happening. Fun, you can never have too much fun. Family, very, very special, as our families. And creative, like we're doing today. Being creative is a magical thing to be able to do, is literally express yourself and just open up to different ideas and things that you can do with the simple things of paper and pens. So next we're going to do is we're going to attach our little clouds, little magic words of clouds, onto a rainbow. Okay, so let's get attaching. So this time I'm going to do it with some sellotape. So if you're going to be doing things with sellotape and scissors, please make sure you've got your mum or dad there to give you a hand. Let them do the boring work. So we're going to get some sellotape. If you have string, you can do the string version if you want. Or back to basics, old sellotape. Let's make sure I don't make a mess of this. So as you see, and if you have any glitter in the house, you can put a bit of glitter on it, or any kind of tissue paper or something if you want. Okay, so there's one. Let's get the second one on. Let's go for family. Let's get family on. We just gently just stick it on. There you go, we get family there. Doing quite well with this, I'm not making a pig zero of it. Then we stick it positive. Think positive, Danielle, that you can do this. We stick one there. Just watch you don't stick together. And then fun. I'm having a lot of fun doing this. I hope yous are too. And there we have it. Our little rainbow with our little special words. And you can hang that up either in the window, so the people that are out getting their daily exercise or going to the shops can see your fabulous design. You can stick it up in your bedroom wall so that when you wake up in the morning or go to bed, you see all these positive, exciting words. It keeps us going, especially as it is quite hard. We can't get out and play with our friends, or we can't go and see our grands or grandpas. But you never know, you can even make one of them and deliver it to them. They might quite like that. So thank you very much for joining me today, and I hope you had fun. If you want, you can get your mums or dads to send over your designs. I would love to see them, and then I can put them on my Facebook page, To the Stars with Danielle Levan, and then we can let everyone see, let the world see all your fabulous designs. So thank you very much for joining me today, and we'll see you real soon. Thank you.